Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Sagicor Group Jamaica is making changes to its senior management team. The restructuring exercise will see the role of Vice President in charge of marketing made redundant. The responsibilities currently held by Mrs. Alicia Moulton White will now fall under the Executive Vice President of Shared Services, Mr. Carl Williams. The changes are expected to take effect December 31. RJR Gleaner Communications Group and 1834 Investments have officially received the green light to merge, with the Supreme Court sanctioning the scheme of arrangement. On August 10, the shareholders of 1834 Investments agreed to the merger proposal. The court order should be filed soon, and when it becomes effective, all the assets and liabilities of 1834 will be assumed by RJR Gleaner. Shareholders in 1834 who elected to receive shares in RJR Gleaner will have those issued within 7 days of the court order being filed. Those who opted for cash will receive payment within 14 days of the filing. The merger will bring some $1.5 billion in cash and assets into RJR Gleaner. The company plans to use the money for aspects of the digital switchover and other projects. Amazing Concrete Finishes ACF has opened a new location in Montego Bay, St. James. The 400-square-foot facility comprises a showroom and a ready-mix concrete plant. CEO Yannick Sharp says the new location will help its expansion and distribution plans.
We have plans to open a training institute to train local talents and provide jobs for individuals in the sector. We also plan to establish a location in Mandeville, which is central Jamaica, and then our first regional operation in Guyana, which is the fastest growing economy in the CARICOM.
Regency Petroleum Company's initial public offering IPO has been oversubscribed. The company, which initially set out to raise $287 million, received over $1 billion from 10,000 applicants. The IPO closed 1 day after it opened on November 24. The basis of allotment will be published at a later date, and GK Capital Management Limited is the lead broker. The company will apply to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Regency Petroleum says the funds will help its expansion goals and meet demands for cooking gas. 2 new service stations should be opened by the end of the first quarter in 2023. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.76. $115.57 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $188.13 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.73 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 768 points today, while the junior market index fell by 18 points. Among the winners, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% CR shares, Epley, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC and Cygnus Credit Investments Jamaican dollar shares. Decliners include Iron Rock Insurance, Blue Power Group, Kingston Properties, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and QWI Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.